So getting the muffler changed out today. The catalytic converter is still good, but you can see the damage there to the muffler. Anyways, we're going to replace it all the way. Everything's going to be taken out. You can see all the other damage here of the muffler. And so we're going to get new piping all the way through, and I'm just going to go with the universal piece on the 1981 280ZX. Well, here we are. We're back at the house. Just got back from the muffler shop for my 1981 Datsun 280ZX. Put a brand new muffler on today, and it took about 3 hours for them to put it on, but there it is. Got a whole new exhaust pipe there, got the new muffler, and they actually cut the original muffler all the way back out to the where the catalytic converter was. See if I can get under here and show you guys. So yeah, there it is, brand new all the way to the catalytic converter. So excited. Definitely sounds different than it used to. You know, having all the holes in the old muffler here definitely made it sound a little bit louder, but it still sounds great. You know, the inline 6 always sounds great. But here, I'll let you see what it sounds like here. Start it up. There she goes. Everything okay. So let's see what it sounds like here. So there she is. Yeah, got to keep the existing exhaust tip as well. I wasn't sure if he was going to be able to keep it. He asked if I wanted to keep it, but I told him if we could, let's do it. And so he was able to. He was just able to disconnect the 2 bolts there and keep the old original tip that was on there when I purchased it. So yeah, that's it. Muffler's updated. Another day of progress here with the 1981 Datsun 280ZX by Nissan. Hope you enjoyed the updates, and looking forward to continue to keep everyone posted on my first project car.